Oh, this is so...
Recently I bought this beautiful Vertex V1 body kit, the same that I have on my daily Lexus. But this time I'm gonna try to do it myself, because the body kit I have on my daily Lexus, I let the body shop do it because they were painting the car anyways. So I gave them the body kit and they installed it for me. But for drift Lexus I want to save them my money. I'm gonna paint it and install it myself. And I think I can do a pretty good job myself. I already got the side skirt installed and the rear lip is also it's kind of plug and play. I'm just gonna figure out how to make the body kit like quick release, because this car gonna be on a trailer and you know, low cars and trailers don't go very well. So I'm gonna try to make it a quick release. Alright, let's go and take the bumper off. It's getting quite dark, so this is it for today. So I was actually planning to paint my body kit with a rattle can, but my brother bought a spray gun, like an actual paint gun. So
I'm an actual painter.
so I think I will just paint the body kit too with a paint gun.
Yeah, I will do that for you now. We can learn. We just gotta keep on learning, learn how to do stuff on our own. You know, that's the most fun to have, than have other people do it for you. So
yeah, that's why I'm also installing the body kit myself this time.
Now we will learn it, how to paint, and maybe later on we can learn how to weld. Like,
yep.
You can learn so much stuff by just building cars or just modifying cars, you know.
So yeah. I fully agree with him. It actually doesn't look bad for the first time painting it. So I'm gonna paint this body kit with a paint gun and not with a rattle can. Alright, it's time to sand down the bumpers with sandpaper. Okay, we're a couple of days later and we can finally primer the bumpers after so many rainy days. Okay, so we're having a bit of issues. I already put a slight coat on it, but the paint gun is like holding in, like it's clogged a bit. And it's still clogged.
I don't know what it is. I washed it out again with thinner, and then it's like okay, and then with the paint it's suddenly clogging. So I'm not sure if the paint is like okay, if the paint is like, I don't know, or that something is with the air.
Okay, so we have finally beautiful weather again. So that means we can finally paint a new body kit in color. We're just gonna sand it down and then paint it in color. There's finally sun in the Netherlands and nice weather. So the bumpers are dried up. My brother painted this bumper, but unfortunately he messed up a bit. So we need to redo this bumper one more time and then put the rest also in clear coat. This bumper also needs to get repainted one more time. The lip is good and the side skirts are also good, and just need a clear coat, and then it's finally done and we can put everything back on the drift car. And I also have one more extra thing for the drift car, and that's some new caster arms. These are new caster arms. The reason why I'm replacing them is because the wheel was hitting it on full lock, so I hope with the new caster arm it won't be hitting it. I already have it installed on one side, and as you can see my wheel is hitting that part when on full lock, so I hope it doesn't hit the caster arm, because otherwise I bought this for nothing. And in general I might need to get some different tires or even a spacer, because it's even hitting on there and there, and these are pretty thick tires. So I was just about to go paint the bumpers, but it started raining again. Okay, here the clouds are very bad, but here the sun is shining, so I think I can still paint. So I just put another coating on of base on the bumpers, but there were a few rain droplets, as you can see here. There's a few rain droplets, but for now I'm just gonna leave it as it is, put some clear coat on it, because it's a drift car anyway, and I'm gonna change the color of the car soon too, so I might wrap it or paint it. So yeah, I'm not really bothered by the imperfections right now. So okay, so I just applied the clear coat, and I didn't record it because I was doing it myself, but here are the results. In my opinion, it's not bad. I know we painted it outside, so we do have some dust in our clear coat right here and some minor imperfections, but for painting it outside it's not that bad in my opinion. And also for painting it for the first time, it also looks very good, and we definitely learned from this experience. So when I'm gonna paint the drift car fully white, then yeah, be definitely a bit more prepared than this time. Okay, so we're the next day already, and the bumpers are fully cured, and the results are literally insane. For the first time painting it, damn, it looks so good. I didn't expect it, to be honest. So I'm gonna install the caster arm so that the front bumper can go back in, and the side skirts too. And the rear bumper will be left as last. So here you got the time lapse. A few reasons why we're replacing the old caster arm. First of all, on full lock my wheel is hitting it, and second of all, this whole bushing is just ripped, it's just broken. It's literally doing nothing, it's barely holding it onto it. These are spherical bushings which will basically never break and are much stronger, and these caster arms are adjustable, so I can move it inwards and outwards, the caster. Okay, so I just finished the job and it's getting quite dark already, so I'm gonna tighten it tomorrow morning, and it definitely needs an alignment, but for now I'm gonna tighten it as it is, so that I can put on the body kit on tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. And we are the next day already, next morning. So before I'm gonna install the body kit, I'm gonna give the car a quick wash. It's a bit dirty, and then we can also compare the paint to the body kit and to the car, how well we did. Okay, the car's all dried now, and it's time to put on the body kit. Grill goes in, and then the body kit.
That looks nice.
Yeah,
Why are you filming?
because I was actually filming the body kit and you just ran out here. So
What the fuck? That looks really good.
there's like barely any color difference. Like you can see the difference between the front bumper and the skirts. Like the side skirts are better painted than the bumper. That's what I can see. But overall with color, there's like barely any color differences in my opinion. So far I'm really happy with the results, and it's insane how it came out. Can't wait to put it on the car, on the floor, and can't wait to drift it. Look at that, wow. And look at this. It turned way too good. In my opinion, it turned way too good for it to be a drift car. It looks so much better now with the body kit. It's actually insane in my opinion. What the heck? Oh, actually on this side I didn't put the side skirt on yet. It's like up there. But what the heck? It looks so much better. The car turned out way too good than I expected. It's so clean for a drift car in my opinion. It's absolutely insane. Just look at this front. It's just as clean as my daily Lexus, although this one is rust free, and that one isn't. And the next mod will probably be a turbo kit. Because the car is basically finished now. It has bucket seats, it has a body kit, it has cool wheels. It's only lacking a bit of power, so definitely gonna save up for a good, funny turbo kit, and then it's probably finished drift car. Still amazed by how good this car turned out. I didn't expect it to. We started painting it with body kit with an actual paint gun for the first time, and it just looks so good. It turned out so good. I'm actually surprised, to be honest. So have you seen the rear bumper? Look.
Nee.
Light reaction.
Whoa! This is so good! It looks nice.
Looks very nice. The only thing that's missing are clear tail lights and a longer exhaust pipe.
You cut it off. Why? I don't know.
Yeah, because it was going up in an angle.
Yeah, that looks very nice. It looks very nice. Looks very cool. Why are you filming?
Okay, that was it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and can't wait for the future for this car. Can't wait to have a turbo in it.
Roll the epic or the outro music.
If you started